How's this going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Innovative Technology, your best place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. LED light strip is a such kind of device that will give you an immersive experience while watching movies or playing games. And in today's video, we are going to compare the Govee LED light strip M1 versus the Philips Hue. Starting from the box, here the Govee comes with a very nice and creative box packaging. As soon as we open up the box, here we have our light strip. Underneath the light strip we have our user manual, power adapter, a remote to control and other attaching accessories like 3M tape and mounting screw. Whereas the Philips Hue comes in a standard rectangular box, and as we open up the box we have the user manual, the light strip and the power adapter. Now let's see how to install Govee M1. Plug in the adapter, remove the plastic coating on the starting edge of the LED, connect the LED to the adapter, and here our light LED strip is all set. You can also connect this with the remote control so that you get an easy access to control the modes of the light, the colors of the light, and as well as the power on off button. This light strip contains higher density, up to 60 LEDs in a meter, that are the RGB IC LED, more than any lamp beads on the market that deliver twice the lumens of brightness for a stronger and more consistent atmosphere, allowing the color and the effect to appear more clearly on the light strip. It comes with the advanced color 4-in-1 RGB IC Plus technology, which will give you a better natural tone, higher lumen brightness and richer color performance. With the Govee's latest RGB IC Plus technology, a 4-in-1 chip solution and industry-leading 60 LED beads per meter, the Govee LED light strip M1 gives consumer the highest luminosity of any 5-meter light strip on the market. As we are having a flat ceiling, we have installed the Govee light strip M1 accordingly. The installation is pretty easy, just remove the sticky packs and stick it wherever you want. Now let's turn on and see how does it make our room feel. Wow, this looks really amazing. The color looks very natural and bright. You can also control this using the Govee application available for Android and iOS. The application has 200 plus scene effects and preset for easy access. Also, you can customize the brightness of each individual section. And the most amazing part is the Music Dream View. This feature will allow you to connect to multiple Govee lights and sync them all, so that the light will listen to the music and sync and change the color according to the music beats. Also, you can connect this with your Google Alexa for hands-free voice control. Now let's connect and install the Philips Hue to our sofa. The installation is pretty much similar to that of Govee. Here we can see that the color of the Philips are not too bright and soft as we have found out of the Govee. They also have got pretty same application feature like easy access to change the brightness and the colors. The Govee have a separate model specially designed for the television, but here this model also works pretty well and perfectly with the color synchronization and brightness of the colors. So summing this up, the Govee has so much with it. The colors are more brighter and smoother than the Philips Hue, and the main amazing fact is that the Govee perfectly fits all of the features and more of it than the Philips Hue, that too in just half of its price. So this was all about the video. I hope you found out this video helpful, and if so, do hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and also give your reviews in the comments down below. This is Innovative Technology and we will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.